Is your Roku slowing down? You might be able to fix it by updating your device and apps. To update your Roku device, press the Home button on your remote to navigate to the home screen. Then, select Settings from the left sidebar menu. Next, go to System and select Software Update. Then, select Check Now. Finally, select Update Now if prompted. If you see a pop-up that says All software is up to date, it means you don't need to update your Roku device. Roku automatically checks for updates every 24 to 36 hours, as long as it's plugged in and connected to Wi-Fi. So you'll only need to manually update if your device has been disconnected for a while or you recently downloaded a new app. Once your device updates, it will restart, and you can start using it again when you see the Roku home screen. To update your apps on Roku, press the Home button on your remote to navigate to the home screen. Then, highlight an app and press the star button on your remote to open the app's settings menu. Next, select Check for Updates. From here, you can also move the app around on your home screen or uninstall it entirely. Finally, select OK to confirm. If these steps helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.